2025 is here and it's time to declutter your home. If your home looks more like this than this, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'll share 10 home minimalist habits to start in 2025 to transform your home into a serene oasis. In case you are new here, I'm Osamor JR, and with that being said, here's how it works. For every new item you bring into your space, you must let go of an old one. It's a straightforward way to keep your environment clutter-free. Why it's beneficial? 1. Prevent clutter. This rule helps you maintain a balanced flow of items, preventing clutter buildup. 2. Encourages mindful consumption. By being selective about what you bring into your life, you can make more conscious purchasing decisions. A bonus tip for this: when you are deciding on what to let go of, consider if it truly adds value to your life. If not, don't hesitate to donate it, sell it, or even recycle it. Before the next habit, if you've been gaining value so far, I would appreciate if you can smash that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 300 subscribers before the end of the year. The key to a clutter-free space is consistent maintenance. So I want you to be able to dedicate just 5 to 10 minutes each day to tidying up and decluttering your environment. Why it's beneficial? 1. It reduces stress. A clutter-free space can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. 2. It improves your focus. A clean environment can help you stay focused and productive. And an extra tip for this is start small. Begin by tidying up your desk or your nightstand, maybe in your office, maybe you have a home office, or let's say maybe you usually work in the kitchen or something like that. You can start with just decluttering that place alone. And as you get more used to the habit, you can gradually expand to decluttering other areas of your home. Just like physical clutter, digital clutter can also overwhelm your mind. And here's how you can implement it. 1. Organize your files. So I want you to create a clear and organized file system for your documents. 2. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails. So reduce the clutter in your inbox by unsubscribing from unwanted newsletters. Those bunch of subscriptions you mistakenly put your email for, maybe when you wanted to buy something and you keep on getting emails, those emails, just unsubscribe from them. 3. Delete unused apps. Uninstall apps that you no longer use to free up space on your device. There are apps now, if you go through your phone, you don't use them at all. So what is the point of having them? And if you kind of want a more in-depth, talk about this on digital minimalism, I actually did a video on that, which you can, check somewhere on the screen. Why it's beneficial? 1. It boosts your productivity. A clutter-free digital space can help you focus and work more efficiently. 2. It reduces stress. A cluttered digital environment can lead to stress and anxiety. A bonus tip for this is to use the delete, delegate, or do method to quickly declutter your inbox. So now here's a quick rundown on how it works. So the first one, delete. When you're going through your email inbox, any email you see there that you can actually delete immediately, just do it right there and then just delete it off. Don't need to keep it off and allow it to just keep on distracting you from the important ones you need to check. Then the next level is delegate. So now in your inbox, there are some emails that are for you, but you don't necessarily have to respond to them yourself. So those ones, you can delegate it to other people to respond to those emails. Then the third one is the one you have to do yourself. So which has to do with the do part. If you see any email that it's for you, you have to respond personally to, I advise, if maybe that's the time block you have for your emails, just answer them immediately. No need for you to start them and say I'll come back to it one time, or maybe just put it at unread, you will come back to it. If that's the time block you have created for your emails, just respond to that email. A clutter wardrobe can lead to decision fatigue and stress. A capsule wardrobe is a curated collection of versatile, high quality pieces that you love. So some benefits of this are: 1. Simplifies your morning routine. A smaller wardrobe means fewer decisions for you to make in terms of the clothes you need to wear. So let's say you just have a kind of a fixed set of clothes. So when you're thinking of what to wear, it's much easier because it's like, okay, I can do this. There's no, let's say you don't have like 100 options you have to pick from. Instead, you maybe have like 10 or maybe even have like 5. So that kind of helps you, pick which one much faster. 2. Reduce decision fatigue. By limiting your choices, you can reduce mental clutter. So just like I said before, let's say you have a wardrobe and you have like 100 options and let's say you don't even take time to think of what you're wearing the next day, a day before, then you're really going to have to, deal with this issue. So let's say you wake up in the morning, you open your wardrobe, okay, what am I wearing today? You see 100 options. What do I pick? This looks nice. This also looks nice. That also looks nice. But what am I going to wear? So to avoid that, avoid all those stress, I'll just recommend, like I said earlier, reduce the decisions you have to make by, limiting the clothes. Okay, I just have between these 5 or between these 3, and those 3, once I pick one, I'm good. So a tip for this would be to focus on neutral colors and classic styles that can be easily mixed and matched. A well-curated capsule wardrobe can help you look stylish and feel confident. So one thing for this I'll suggest is that, if you could get like 5 standard colored pants, let's say maybe black, dark blue, beige, whatever the color is for you, and get also maybe let's say 10 tops, you should be able to get a massive amount of different outfits from those selections if those colors are actually colors that you can easily mix and match. Before the next habit, if you've been gaining value so far, I would appreciate if you can smash that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 300 subscribers before the end of the year. Before you make your next purchase, pause and reflect. Mindful shopping involves making conscious decisions about your spending. So one thing I recommend is that, especially this time of the year, this is, we want this, we want that, we want this, we want that. What I recommend is that, let's say you see something you want to buy. I think I said this in another video, but one question you can ask yourself is that, do I need this thing or do I just want it? So if it falls under a want, I would recommend you kind of hold back on it for a bit, and maybe, you don't need to kind of rush into that. But let's say, okay, you don't want to do that way. You can then say, okay, I won't buy this thing for the next 1 week, and if after that 1 week I feel that I still want this thing, then I guess probably just go ahead and buy it. Some benefits to this are: 1, it saves money. By avoiding impulse buys, you can save money and allocate your funds towards things that truly matter. 2, reduces environmental impact. Consuming less reduces your carbon footprint. So a tip for this, which I think I've already kind of said it already earlier, but it will be, before you make a purchase, ask yourself if you truly need it and if it also aligns with your values. Want to curb purchases? Try the 30-day rule. If you want to buy something non-essential, wait 30 days before you make that purchase. Some benefits to this are: 1, reduces impulse buying. This rule gives you time to reflect on your needs and desires. 2, promotes conscious spending. By waiting, you can make more informed decisions. A tip for this would be: create a wish list to track items you are considering. This can help you prioritize your spending and avoid unnecessary purchases. So this is definitely one I've done, especially with my YouTube channel and buying stuff. I kind of have like a creator's wish list, which when I think of something I want to get, I just put it on there. So basically, like I already said earlier, it helps you prioritize your spending, so you know that, okay, out of this list, what do I need, or what will be the next thing I need? You can focus on that and spend money on it. Not that you make decisions based on, wow, I saw a video on this and I'm buying it right away. Please don't do that. The KonMari method, developed by Marie Kondo, is a popular decluttering technique. It involves organizing your belongings by category and keeping only items that spark joy. And some benefits to this are: 1, it creates a peaceful space. By decluttering your home, you can create a more serene and calming environment. 2, improves focus. A clutter-free space can help you focus and be more productive, especially areas where you work. Let's say you work in a particular place in your house. I would suggest that place should be as clean as possible, because once you get there, you want to work, you want to focus. So having that place neat will kind of help you improve that. A tip for this would be: start with categories that are easy to declutter, maybe such as books or clothes, or the thing that you find easiest to declutter. Start with that, then you can start moving up the ranks. Learning to say no is an essential skill for a minimalistic lifestyle. By saying no to unnecessary commitments, you can free up time and energy for the things that truly matter. This is something I really love a lot. Honestly, if you can dial this in, my goodness, you are have taken a huge level. someone shows you this that looks shiny in the moment, if you are able to say no thank you, honestly, you are a boss. Some benefits to this are: 1. Reduces stress. Overcommitting to different things can lead you to stress and burnout. 2. Improves your focus. By saying no, you can focus on your priorities, what truly matters, what truly moves you closer to your goals, not just bunch of different things that look shiny but aren't taking you anywhere. So a tip for this would be for you to practice assertive communication to politely decline invitation or requests. I know that a lot of us, struggle with this. Someone like me now, I'm a huge people pleaser. So for people like us, it's hard for us to say, no to people. It's like, we hurt their feelings or things like that. But one thing I'll say is that if you can just try, you don't have to be, very rude and just say no. You can just say, okay, I'm trying to do this now, and please, I want to, I won't be able to attend. If the person or that friend is saying, kind of, bugging you about it, why are you doing this, you've changed, all those different kind of statements, then most likely the person doesn't respect your decision, and that person shouldn't be your friend. Just my saying. Letting go of possessions can be difficult, but it's an essential part of minimalism. Practice gratitude for the items you own and let go of the ones that no longer serve you. A good example I can use for this is my mom. My goodness. There are things, she just has that, you're not using this thing again. Why do you still want to use it? She prefers to just keep them. All those kind of sayings of, okay, I'll keep it. One day I will come back and need it, or different things like that. I would just suggest, if you're not using it, kindly just throw it, move it from wherever you are, please. Some benefits to this are: 1. Create space. By decluttering your home, you can create physical and mental space. 2. It promotes mindfulness. Letting go of possessions can help you focus on what truly matters. A tip for this would be: donate, sell, or recycle items that you no longer need. This can help you reduce waste and support charitable causes. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary of peace and relaxation. A minimalist bedroom can help you sleep better and reduce stress. Some benefits to this are: 1. It improves your sleep quality. A clutter-free bedroom can create a more peaceful and restful environment. 2. Reduces stress. A serene bedroom can help you unwind and relax. Imagine yourself after a long week at work, you come back to a cluttered bedroom. How do you want to sleep? You start doing this, you turn, you hit this clothes, you fling this clothes, different things like that. And now think of you coming back to a room where it's clean. You just need to, go have a shower, change to your, will I say, nightgown or pajamas or whatever you wear, and just climb on your bed and sleep. Don't you love the sound of that? A tip for this is: focus on essential furniture and calming decor. Use soft, natural materials and soothing colors to create a peaceful atmosphere. By incorporating these 10 minimalist habits into your daily life, you can transform your home into a peaceful and inspiring space. Remember, minimalism isn't about deprivation, it's about prioritizing what truly matters. But the benefits of minimalism extend far beyond your physical space. If you want to learn how you can also apply this in your relationships, I have 10 relationship minimalist habits for you to start in 2025. Click here to watch the video.